Guys, I am out on the balcony and I'm going to be walking you through on what we grew or growing this year. I am in zone 6A. I'm going to walk you through everything that we have so far. We've planted in one of our beds, one whole makeshift bed and another one. But please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel for more gardening tips, but also for more vegan recipes and vegan lifestyle stuff. So let's get into what I'm growing. So far we have our tulips, which are growing well. We have a lot of stuff that's regrowing. The oregano is regrowing. These flowers, which weren't here a few days ago, are regrowing. Our rose bush, you can see the greenness. We have our blueberry bush. You can see there regrowing. You see the little spuds on it. Blackberry bush. And this is some lemon balm. We have a grapevine, some beans, another blackberry bush, or I think this is the grapevine, I don't remember. This is our raspberry bush. She's doing well. Then we have some other makeshift stuff. These are some herbs. So we have holy basil, some lemon balm, sage, and some sweet marjoram, garlic, and some okra. Those, some okra right there. And this is our bed. So I have a full video showing you how to make a grid bed if you want to. This is our rosemary. She's doing well. These are pepper plants. You see those? And there's some more pepper plants here. And these are all our beans. So there's a full video on how I did these tubes. Upcycling, so we have those. And then over here, we have an array of stuff. In the grid, we have chives in the back. We have burdock root, a few burdock root growing in there. We have our squash, which looks like surviving. We have peppermint here. In the back of there, we have marshmallow root, which I love. Bok choy all the way in the back. And then right here, we have broccoli and a little bit of okra, some celery. We have some onion. We're growing onion in both of these, and eggplant. Some thyme, some green onion, parsley, and a little bit of chives. So we have a little bit of everything growing in this bed. And this guy she's just, holding down the fort. Over here, we have all our lettuce, so our greens. We have our watercress. We have lettuce blend, arugula, spinach, curl kale, dragon kale, and some red Russian kale, which is so beautiful. And that's kind of in those crates that people usually throw out. And this is perfectly sectioned off for our greens. And then in these bags, we have melon. So we have different types. So 3 of these bags are baby melon. The other 3 are like yellow melon. Over here, we'll have cucumbers once they start growing. There's the beginning of the season for us, so we're starting a little bit earlier than we did last year. I think we started a little bit later last year, so we'll have 3 months. We have 2 months ahead of what we did last year, so we'll see what happens in a few weeks. Then over here we have some flowers. They're going to be so beautiful. These are for my bees, and we have more flowers for the bees over there. And this is basically what the garden looks like, guys. It is very, organized this year. We'll have more beds, so the garden's actually going to go out to where that orange thing is. But yeah, this is what she looks like, and I'll be posting updated videos like once a month or every other month to kind of show you what's growing, what I'm harvesting, and some trial and error, how to grow X, Y, and Z. Let me know what else you'd like to see in this video. But yeah, I'm excited. All of this is gonna have stuff on it. Remember, we still have all of these left to fill, and we have those over there as well. We'll be growing strawberries this year, so it's gonna be super exciting. But yeah, that is my garden.